How to fix Discord emoji. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps. Here as you see, all your application that you have on your phone, it's here now. So you will click just on Discord and go directly to storage. On storage, click on clear data, click OK and go back, and click on for stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.